Hey everyone, welcome to this guide on how to see sent follow requests on Instagram. Let's dive right in. Open your Instagram app on your mobile device. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Tap on the Account Center section. On your Meta Account Center page, tap on the Your Information and Permissions option. Next, tap on Download your information. Here, tap on Download or Transfer information. Choose the profile you want to check for sent follow requests. Next, tap on the Sum of your information section. On this page, scroll down until you reach the Connections section. Tick the Followers and Followings option and tap on the Next button. Ensure that Download to Device option is toggled on. Tap on Date Range, select the All Time option, and tap Save. Check your email and choose the format type and the quality of the file. Tap on the Create File button. You will be taken back to the Download Your Information page, where you can see your file in progress under Current Activity. Once Instagram finishes creating these files, they will be ready to download. Download and open the file to see your sent follow requests. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.